They are making you know by their actions that you are actually better than them. You see, this individual is a person, I feel, that is very emotionally unbalanced. They feel very repressed. They feel very angry, but they're holding these emotions in. I feel like this individual wants to purge. They want to express themselves. And there's an energy of them feeling quite intimidated by you because you have a way about you whereby you can actually express yourself. You can emote. You can express your feelings very effectively. And this person is quite intimidated by you. That's one scenario. For others of you, I feel as if there could be someone that is intimidated by you in regards to your work ethic. This individual feels as if whatever they do, they are overshadowed by you. And it may have something to do with the way that you communicate, the way that you get on with others. I also feel that there's someone that is highly intimidated by you, and they constantly compare themselves to you, and they constantly feel like they are inferior in regards to you. You may not even pay this person any mind, but this person is heavily fixated on you, and they do daily tasks every day to prove that they are better than you. They may have tried to block opportunities from you, and this person is growing very, very obsessed with you. Because they are very fixated and obsessed with you, and I'm also hearing the word obsessed with taking you down, obsessed with being seen as better than you, they are indirectly showing you that you are actually better than them, because they see you as someone that's very abundant. They see the way people love you. They see the way people take to you. They are very envious of the energy that you exude. You exude an energy that is very bountiful. You exude an energy that is very courageous, very at peace and contented with yourself. You exude an energy that is very exciting, and this person just feels like no matter what they do, they can't match up to your energy. You know, this person sees you as someone that is going to do very well. Some of you are very financially stable, but even if you're not where you want to be yet, you are very abundant. You are at peace with yourself. You could be quite flamboyant. You express yourself very differently, and this person feels like they wish they had the courage to express themselves, maybe verbally, or in the way that you do your hair, in the way that you nurture, in the way that you dress. They wish that they can be like that, and they just feel like they are so dull in comparison to you. You have star quality, and this person, I don't know whether they will say those words, but this individual feels like basically they don't want you around because they just feel like all eyes are on you. They see the way that people look at you. They see the way that people fixate on you. It's giving fan behavior. And I feel like even if they don't act like a fan, they see that other people act like a fan around you. And I feel as if this person wants to cycle you out of maybe a friendship group, maybe a workplace, maybe a community, because I feel like before you came onto the scene, this person was that guy or they was that girl, and now you have come onto the scene. You are the real deal, and it's highlighting to this person that the mask that they were wearing is, slipping. They feel like people are going to start seeing the truth because you are actually the truth. People are choosing you over this individual, whether you know that or not. Now, I know some of you don't want to be chosen because I'm hearing I choose myself, and I highly stand by that as well. But I feel like this person was presenting themselves to be something that they're not. And this individual is very angry about some sort of love offer that you are receiving. This person is very angry about your creativity. I feel like the way that you express yourself. I feel like the way that you dress. I feel like the way that some of you may sing, the way some of you talk, walk. I see that other people always want to give to you. People are in awe of you. You have this magical, like, star quality, very Neptunian energy that this person is also drawn to as well, but it angers them. And this person just wants to block you out. For some of you, this person may have tried to do energy work to try and manipulate other people's perception of you. It may have worked in the past, but it keeps wearing off and it keeps backfiring. So whatever this person projects onto you, it comes right back. And you see how my camera's going a bit funny there? Yeah, people are starting to see this person as very distorted. This person wants to be seen as someone that is very loving, kind, and generous, but it's all a facade. And Spirit is saying what you need to do is not to interact with this person anymore. This person could be a family member, okay? This person could also be a friend. This person could also be someone that you work with. But Spirit is saying that it's time to remove yourself from this individual and cut off any communication. Just distance yourself from this person. This person is very toxic and they have a lot that they need to work